Okay guys, so now that we got everything set up, you still want to customize everything a little bit more. Today we're taking a look at this portable monitor. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So it looks like you get all the cables you actually need. That's awesome. Wow. Okay, great. Okay guys, so now that we got everything set up, you still want to customize everything a little bit more, depending on your settings. You can do mirroring, you can, have different, so as you can see right now, it's just set up for mirroring. So whatever we do on our main laptop, it does it on the other side, on top. But you can adjust that, but it's very simple and easy. So connect the HDMI cable that they provide to the monitor, connect your Type-C cable to the Type-C port, and that's it. It's that simple. You guys could also use other options as well. Just take a look at the manual, but this is nice. Screen quality is excellent as well.